How to fix bad quality TikTok uploads. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. And when you're uploading a video, you will find this kind of screen. Press on next at the bottom right. Then, while uploading your video, click on more options. After you click on more options, in here you will find upload in HD quality. It's not available in my region. It may be available in your region. Make sure you turn on upload in high quality and then post your video. After that, your video will be posted in a good quality. Also, make sure you take video from your own camera, which is phone's camera, and make sure resolution is high as well. And this is how to fix bad quality TikTok uploads. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.